All right, we've all heard of the gut-brain connection. We all hear about that. But oddly enough, there is a gut-prostate connection. Now, this is seen not only just from the anatomy. The prostate is a gland that sits just anterior to that rectum. And the prostate and the rectum are in direct communication. So when there is dysbiosis or abnormal bacteria within that rectum or an overgrowth of bacteria, yes, those bacteria can be transmitted by direct extension into that prostate gland, which can lead to conditions like prostatitis or inflammation of the prostate. Now, number two, if there's poor digestion present. Now, we're talking about the stomach, and often if there's not enough acid in the stomach or there's other abnormalities that do not allow for proper digestion of your food, there can be undigested food particles that then are sent to the small intestine. This can lead to numerous issues that can set the body up for inflammation, immune issues, and also, this is due oftentimes to mucus buildup within the gut. Number three is leaky gut. Now, when you have leaky gut, the cell thickness of the colon in the small intestine is one cell thick. So if there's a space, an opening where either undigested food particles or bacteria can get access and slip through that leaky gut, now they have direct access to the circulation system. And because of this triggers that constant inflammatory process, again, through leaky gut. So, when you look at controlling inflammation in the body, you no doubt want to address leaky gut. Now, number four is the presence of beta-glucuronidase. This is a bacteria, or this is an enzyme that's produced by unfriendly bacteria. This can inhibit the breakdown of hormones and neurotransmitters, cancer-causing toxins, and even mold. From a prostate standpoint, this can cause elevated estrogens within the body if your beta-glucuronidase enzyme is high. And this elevated estrogen can then lead potentially to prostate growth and potentially even prostate cancer. Now, number five, the liver. We always talk about the importance of the liver, and the liver, no doubt, when you have an inflammatory condition of the prostate or even prostate cancer, I always say the number one organ you need to look at is the liver. Why? Because the liver is what detoxifies your entire system. Now, every 3 to 6 minutes, a red cell goes around your body and leads back to that liver to be filtered. The liver does thousands of jobs in the body. It's incredibly important. And if your liver is not working, no doubt you will have a continual cycle of chronic inflammation. So conditions like interstitial cystitis, prostatitis, any inflammatory condition, again, we always want to look to liver health as a causative organ for how to get that inflammation resolved and allow the body to heal. Number 6 is constipation. If you have constipation, your body is going to have trouble healing from whatever condition you have. Now, when there's constipation there, wastes literally sit in the body and they can get access to the circulation, and you put wastes right back into circulation. So constipation is no doubt something that we want to address. We want to get it resolved. We want a regular bowel pattern. And what we're shooting for is 1 to 2 soft bowel movements a day, complete evacuation of your bowels, because it is so important in getting rid of these wastes and toxins. So again, they're not reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. Number 7 reason that there is a gut-prostate connection is histamines. Activation of mast cells release histamines and these inflammatory mediators that again keep the body in inflammatory states. So this can affect bladder function. This can affect prostate function. And it's one of those key things, what we are eating and food allergies that release these histamines, they can affect the bladder and the prostate, no doubt. So, if you are looking for a solution and you want to heal your bladder or your prostate, no doubt you want to look at the gut. Hippocrates said, all disease begins in the gut. And we know this now. We know the gut is so important, not only in modulating inflammation, but also improving immunity. How important is our immunity nowadays? It's probably one of the most important things in fighting off infection is our immune system. So again, this happens through the gut, and it happens through an optimized gut function and gut system. So if you have chronic bladder or chronic prostate conditions and you want some help, maybe you want, you may need gut testing, or you may want to try to optimize your gut health. You want to know some more information and know how to heal from your condition. Click the link below and we'll get you some more information. I am Dr. William Stiles. I am a holistic practitioner and here to help your body heal from whatever chronic condition you have. Again, gut health is one of these conditions. Hope this makes sense. If you want some more information, click the link below.